sat there, so I couldn't make the exit. No biggie. This should get me back to where I wanted to turn originally, where that van was in my way. Back to the 201. Yeah, this will get me back to the 201, headed towards Salt Lake so I can get to that gas station. So I need to grab fuel before I can head to Nevada. No big deal. Adds a little excitement to the day. Truck and the brakes squeak like hell. It's annoying. Damn Californians. Originally wanted to turn. It's like, truck stop. I need to grab fuel.